Ubu yabayebembire okuburira ahali Ankole Western University omu district ya Sheema aho ari kuza kumara esande yona ari kutahiragamwe omu matendekero na n'ekigendererwa cyo kuburira enjiri hamwe no kurundana sente ezo kugura kanyabwenje hamwe na student poto owabirari Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda Henry Orombi yashoborera ngu abinji bakesibire Omubwooro ahabwenca mumbi ezibari kuba bakozire.
Our soil is very rich. You can grow anything, but people don't want to work because they don't want to work. And the reason is they are suffering from a disease called laziness.
Ogu yayongera yajumirira abo abari kumariro bwire bwabo omukwehunda bari kwetukuza otiyeho no kwekoraho bakarimwa gukora kurunji obujunanizibwa obu bari kuba bahirwe ngo kandi nabandi nibahendera abarwire endwara ezitari kwetegerezibwa.
Go for chemicals to get a light skin. My daughter, the chaplain here, is already a little lighter. Some people want to be lighter than her. For what reason? Because if you go that side, you are going to come up with skin cancer.
Obutekunda no butamanya ebi bamwe ombeji bari kwenda otireho na no butafa ahari nyensa yabo okurugira Bishop wa Western Ankole Diocese Right Reverend Johnson Twino Mujoni nicyo batangaza okushanga ngo aha myaka mito bari kwenyigira ombitokoza bonko okunywa mara otireho no bushambani.
But for example, smoking. Can you imagine a university student smoking, which at least from conventional understanding and specifically from your biology causes lung cancer?
Ngitendekero eriri ahamusinje ogwekanisa Dr. Andrew Aino Mugisha nashoborora ngwamani bagatire ahabigenderwa bikuru ebyo musinje gwekanisa na no kubangura beji abari kutina ruhanga.
Ankole Western University eri ahamusinje gwekanisa kigenderwa cha mission age no kugira ngo university tugigarize aha foundation yayo musinje ogugumire buri mwana wena buri mushomesa orijaha abase kumanya mukama nk'umujunuwe nubwo aragende ayine barha yo kushoma ya degree na ya diploma na ya certificate mukagenda ayine mukama.
Bamwe ombebembezi abahika ahamukoro abarimo wabirari Minister Dr. Lioda Tumwesije hamwe n'umunyeshenjero wa Sheema Municipality Dickson Kateshumbwa bashoborora okumissioneji eri kwija kuyamba omucanga.
Mission neta au Ankole Western University amap Tumangu University yitweji light of the world ndango program ya Mission Week eza kuongera fitamani aha university yitu n'abantu kujukunda
university yitweji eri hamutindo gw'amani uko sofa yashiza abana bakurenga 10 kandi eri yene yongera so kutayisa Archbishop n'ekintu cyangwa munonga tekateka ngo abana ba university hamwe n'abantu baburizo baza kwiza kurikiza Archbishop Orombi abo kuba n'umuntu w'amani kandi nabururaki
bitebyona nibija kwicirira abeji baheza kutaho omutima ahabi bari kwegesibwa otireho na no kutekatekera kurunji nyensi yabo.
Young people, if you walk according to the word of God, you'll be a good student and a successful student. You may not be an A student, but I can promise you will never be a failure. No.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gerard Tugume ahawa Sky TV omuri Sheema.
Told us that we should call you our Father. May you receive the Spirit